WSAZ investigation. In December 2021, a natural gas leak was discovered right next to a community in Charleston. Neighbors reaching out to us with concerns about their safety. Now, over a year later, the West Virginia Department of Energy Protection says crews are on site plugging it up. News Channel 3's Matt Lackritz has been reaching out to the DEP for answers and catching up with the man we first spoke to when the leak was discovered, who spent the last year looking for a solution.
For more than a year, David Bentley says he's been trying to get orphaned wells near Crouch Hollow Road in Charleston tested, with little success. We first spoke with Bentley back in December of 2021, when the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protections found 2 natural gas leaks in the Crouch Hollow area of Charleston.
It's about my health. I don't know how much time I got left. I mean, seriously. I'm freaking skinny as a frail, man. Broke out all over, dried up.
Bentley was suffering health issues as a result of one of the leaks that was found to be dispersing a toxic chemical into his neighborhood. The DEP says that leak was patched last year. The other, they say, has been leaking natural gas ever since, as the DEP awaited funding to patch it. They say the department only had funding at the time to patch 1 or 2 orphaned wells a year.
I have struggled with my state agencies, my federal agencies, trying to get testing conducted on what's going on out here to try to get some answers.
The DEP confirmed to us Thursday that a contractor was out plugging the remaining well, saying the leak would be stopped in 24 hours. The next day, we followed up, asking if the leak was stopped. They replied saying it was still expected to be finished that day, but they have since not confirmed that it was fixed. Sunday, Chairman of the Well Done Foundation, Curtis Shuck, met with Bentley to test orphaned wells in the area. The Well Done Foundation, a nonprofit, works to locate and plug abandoned wells. This was their first day on site, and Shuck says it's all about creating relationships with the landowners and identifying as many orphaned wells as they can. Shuck and I visited 2 wells. First, we visited the well the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protections say is leaking natural gas, and this well about a mile away.
So we're picking up high concentrations of explosive gas, typically as a mixture of everything from, methane to pentane to hexane.
A spokesperson for the WVDEP says it is not aware of any issues with the remaining wells in the area, nor has it received any complaints on these wells. However, Shuck says this well set off his testing device.
The fact that wells are leaking is, sort of bumps up the sense of urgency.
The Well Done Foundation is collecting samples of gases and puts them in these bags to be tested. Shuck says there are orphaned wells like this leaking across the country, and their nonprofit works to identify and get them fixed. Shuck says it's going to take about a week to get the results back to find out what kind of gas compounds are coming out of these orphaned wells.